we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from Army and Outdoors. Feel free to check out their website at ArmyandOutdoors.com. They do ship internationally. This came from New Zealand, but again, they do ship internationally. Army and Outdoors. And let's go ahead and take a look at this. Let's get you out of the way. And let's see. In this case, let's go ahead and use some scissors. Okay. A little more. Alright, so I did take the manifest off the outside from the other side, just so you know. The manifest is usually on the outside. So, again, Army and Outdoors. And let's see what we got here. So we got a big item right at the start. We have a German Flecktarn Parka, no liner, new. That's fun. I was just looking at shopping for a liner today, so I might go back for that. Okay. Actually feels really nice without it. I might start wearing it like tomorrow. Alright, it's a nice size too. So, quick observations: hood, obviously on the outside, drawstrings, snaps, all the way to the bottom drawstrings with cord locks. These do overlap, but the cord locks aren't staggered, they are right at the ends. Zipper doesn't go all the way down, but the snaps go beyond the zippers. Plasticized. There is kind of the arrow, not the arrowhead, but that logo on both sides. Not sure if I'm getting it in the right direction. Alright, let's take a look at the label. Come on. Of course, I'm always doing this from the wrong direction. And got it. Okay, well, let's take a look at the pockets real quick. Working our way in shoulders, Velcro, shoulder fillets. We've got flag on both shoulders. Shoulder pocket on one shoulder, not on this shoulder. Velcro cuffs. Pocket. Now we got the Velcro name area, tape area. We only have, well, yeah, we do have pockets on both sides. 2 snaps at the top. Small inner pocket. You see that right there? Yeah, it's like pen pockets, 2 of them. This one, nothing, just regular pocket. There are zippered slash pockets on the bottom here. Go right up to this seam right here. Likewise, this side, zipper pocket. Hood has a seam sewn there, reinforcement, and a oversewn kind of a contour reinforcement of the attachment near the neck. Our label. got some of these yellow stickers all over, so this may be unissued. Let's see, what's this? What's this? There is this entryway underneath the armpit. Likewise on this side. Interesting feature. And nothing else on the inside that I see. There's where the reinforcement points for the pockets are. And looking at the back, give us a look at there. Okay, so moving along, next item, Belgian Army Jigsaw Camo Pants. So, button fly. Let's see how many buttons real quick. 1, 2, 3. It might be a replacement button right there, or they may have purposely sewn. Well, I don't know. Might have been repaired. So belt loops, 2 at the front, 2 at the very hips, and 2 near the center back. Rear pockets have 1 button in the middle, reinforced bottom, slash pockets, cargo pockets, single button, no bellows, knee seam, but not really maybe partially reinforced. Very large drawstrings with a large hem. And looking on the inside, it's like a label was removed, possibly. No, maybe not. Those are sewing points. Looks like a label was trimmed. Maybe. 1988, Michelson's. No, maybe not. That might be the label. That's all there really is on here. I can see. Alright, let's keep moving along. Get to the small stuff right now. Let's see, let's do this hat. British Army MTP SF Boonie hat large. So it does have a little bit of a shorter brim. Normal brim come out to about here. The top hasn't been sewn down, like sometimes I do. Still has a drawstring, and it has a neck flap, but it's made in China. That's why. So it's the style, but not official, I don't think. Oh, pretty good on the label reproduction right there. Hat Combat Tropical Multi-Terrain Pattern. Size 58, contract number. So unless they really ordered it from China, that might take some further research. That's interesting. Unless the label is really an actual duplicate. I'm not quite sure of the history. Moving along, wanted to pick up an extra ex-East German combat belt, new, the gray buckle attachment. Some aging to the brass, no biggie, doesn't show. Okay, what else we got here? That's it. Should be a couple of Alice slide keepers, new. And tucked into here, well, it's not really any coins. One Fred field ration eating device. So, that to get your way through containers. And a couple of Alice clips. Entry point. cinch and lock. So, again, all these came from ArmyandOutdoors.com. Feel free to check them out. Lots of stuff on their site from all over the world. Fred, Alice slide keepers, East German combat belt, some sort of contract from China of a hat combat tropical multi-terrain pattern with the cut brim, cut down style, Belgian. I'm not sure if it's ripstop or not. It doesn't look like it. I have to hit it with a light. But it's Belgian Jigsaw Camo pattern pants. And we start off with German Flecktarn Parka no liner. Again, ArmyandOutdoors.com. Unboxing or unbagging video. Feel free to check out other videos in the playlist for unboxing. We also do more specific show and tell item videos, as well as curios for the curious, more artsy objects, and we're also starting up a book reviews series. Feel free to check those out. And feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.